We have been serving customers all over the Springfield, Pennsylvania area for years. The Dappoloni family writes, "Thanks for being so reliable and getting my garage door fixed within hours of me calling your company. You truly showed what great customer service is. I definitely give you a 10 out of 10. As you can see, customer satisfaction is our #1 goal." Barbara Wilson writes, "I wanted to get a keypad installed for my garage door, and a neighbor of mine suggested I call your company. I am sure glad she did because you guys were just great. I wasn't expecting to get such a fast turnaround with having the keypad installed, but sure enough, the next day, you were at my house and had everything done so quickly. The gentleman walked me through how the keypad would work and let me try it a few times to make sure I was comfortable with it. I am so thrilled to have this installed. Thanks for your fast and efficient service." So, if you need any garage door repairs, call Conkling Garage Door Service.